Tonight we're in Palo Alto, the epicenter of innovation, a place that has inspired so many entrepreneurs for years.
So tonight we are here at the Swissnex Beach Night in Palo Alto to really celebrate the Swiss innovation in the Bay Area.
Has been amazing 2 weeks. So the Swissnex Startup Bootcamp is a great experience. You get to know many innovative startups. It's very motivating, very exciting.
So it's really nice to be back here because in 2019, when we were part of the Swissnex Bootcamp, we met our very first investor here in Hannah House in Palo Alto. So it's a very nice feeling to be back here tonight.
In the past 10 years, we had over 150 startups coming through our bootcamp with 3 unicorns and some acquisition by big names such as Nasdaq and Apple. In fact, Switzerland has been nominated the most innovative country in the world for the past few years. And so we're super excited to have the Swiss startups exploring the US market, especially the Bay Area, to really help them make a big impact on the global scale.
This Beach Night, I think for me and for Scenario X is really a great opportunity of showcasing what we are doing, and we are really grateful to Swissnex for this opportunity.
So the Swissnex Startup Bootcamp actually has facilitated a lot of leads to potential customers, policymakers, regulators.
I teach at Stanford Continuing Studies, nonverbal communication skills and pitch polishing. And those startups which I coached tonight did wonderfully. So I'm extremely proud of them and I'd like to see them succeed.
I can't believe we've been doing this bootcamp for over 12 years. Each time it keeps getting better. So I cannot even imagine how next year is going to be.
And I feel super energized to go back to Switzerland, Zurich, implement the learnings and conquer the world.